Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. So in this video it's a full kitchen transformation. Fixing the kitchen cabinets is one thing that is I think is expensive in the interior aspect of building. Frankly speaking, the kitchen can be very expensive that if you don't take it, you're not doing it on time. But at the end of the day, you can never skip that aspect too. So in this video, you can see that the guys are doing the kitchen. And one thing I always see on this channel is when you are doing your tiles selection, you have to be very mindful of it. At the end of the video, I'll show you how the kitchen was. If you don't select the right tiles when you are working or trying to decorate the space, it becomes very difficult. Everything looks ugly, you understand? And one thing I've also realized is sometimes when people are handling your projects for you, they choose to do anything they want. But it's all part of this building thing. So sometimes something must you just have to forget some issues and focus on whatever you are doing. It's all parts. So these kitchen cabinets, guys, are good. They delivered on time. After they came to take the measurements, they told us it's going to be ready, let's say 2 to 3 weeks. Maximum should be, let's say, a month, because he was very busy as at that time. And as long as we were ready for him, everything was in place for him to bring the cabinets. He delivered on time. Everything was on time. One thing I like about some artisans is some of them are very serious with their work. Others too, for those of you that are old on this channel, you understand what I'm saying. Others too are not serious at all. Not at all. This guy was on time conscious. He used right materials and he delivered amazing work. Just from the video, you can tell how good he is. Just these two guys, and they came to install everything perfectly. I've seen a couple of videos whereby a kitchen installation, you might see about 4 or 5 people doing up and down. But come on, if you know whatever you are doing, it doesn't take the number of people. Sometimes you need hand in some things, but these two guys were able to do everything, and they did everything in a day, you understand? So the kitchen can be quite pricey. Some of the quotations, they will do it with the appliances for you. Some too, they would want you to go and buy the appliances yourself. If only you, the homeowner, you want to do it that way. And for the appliances, I think I've showed a couple of showrooms whereby you can get the appliances, it being freezer condition, whatever. But for the kitchen appliances, let's say the extractor, the burner, microwave, oven, I think the best place to get the top notch is Black Park. Yes, it's also on the Spinters Road. I think I've not done a video on that place. I'll try and get a video so that you guys see some of. They have amazing thing also. I think they have some already made cabinets that you can just take your measurements and they will do it for you. But these artisans, some are good. This guy in particular, he specializes in just with this, cabinet, wardrobe, bed. That is what he does, and he does it per order. You understand? So once you order, you bring your order, he takes the measurements, he does everything, and comes to deliver it to you. Very good. One thing I like about him is when he comes to do the measurements, he can do a 3D animation for you, so that you see how your kitchen is going to be like, with the selection of color, whatever you've already chosen, whatever design you've already discussed with him. He will do everything perfectly for you in the animation. Then after, he brings it into life. Yes, so I was around the whole day supervising and checking to see if everything is perfect, and just from how they are doing the work, you can see they know whatever they are doing. This is what they do. So regardless the location, they can go and take the measurements and give you the estimates. So in case any of you need your kitchen to be done, I will gladly recommend them to you. I always say this thing on the channel, that if I use someone and the person is not good to my liking, there's no way I'm going to recommend that person to anybody. That is how the whole thing works. So he does the wardrobe, he does the bed, cabinet, whatever, anything that you will need for your TV, whatever, anything that you want, he can do it for you. So as we always do, any of you that would need their service, you know what to do already. Just give me a call so that arrangements will be made for you. Also, about the tiles issue, so this particular kitchen has been remade all over, including the tiles has been changed. Everything has been remade just for it to suit the standard. Sometimes when you choose certain pattern of tiles to do something, it doesn't help at all. Some people end up doing anything for you. Those of you that have been on the channel, I personally have gone through all those stages in building. You understand? Someone will just take the money and go and buy any rubbish tiles for you, and it goes on every day. So just from the onset, you have to picture whatever you are going to put there and make sure it's going to match with your tiling, because that is the beauty. So if you don't have the actual plan, or maybe someone goes to do anything for you, later on when you are trying to put something there, it's going to mess up very, very, very bad. You understand? So let's all enjoy the video together and see the whole process they pass through to get the whole kitchen done. Yes, so this kitchen, for kitchen cabinets, roughly you should budget around maybe $3,000 to $5,000 for the kitchen cabinet if you want to. And also it depends on your space. Also, you can get some for about $7,000 or $8,000. That one, they might include appliances for you. For the appliances, it's not by force for them to add it to you. They can just come and do the cabinets for you, then you buy your appliance. As you can see, this one, they did the cabinets, but the appliances were not from them. They didn't provide, or they didn't go and buy the appliances themselves. So it all depends. They can do the quotation with the appliances and other accessories for the kitchen for you. They can also do the cabinet quotation for you. So either way, you know what to go for. You understand? If you want to import all your appliances, they can just do the cabinets for you, then you bring the appliances. But I advise all the appliances should be available before you let them do the cabinets, so that when they do it, they can fix all the appliances and whether the sink, everything for you. Let's say for the burner must be there, the sink must be there. You understand? But for the oven and the refrigerator and microwave, that one you can just bring it anytime. But the one that is going to be on the worktop, that one, I think it will be very advisable if you have that one on site before they will come and fix the cabinets, so that they will do it for you with the extractor all together. You get it? So basically that is how the whole thing works. So not to talk much, I'll leave you guys here and we all continue to see how the whole thing was made. At the end of the video, I'll show you the before of the kitchen. Alright, so I think that will be all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. My name is Elvis Benson, and this channel is basically anything you need to know about your building. Helping me, helping us, helping everybody. You understand? Catch you in the next updates. Bye bye.